Yesterday, Jan and I drove up to the top of the Alpine Loop and found this verdant field of moss amid this shallow stream and waterfall. It was a wonderful contrast to the arid heat of the drought-ravaged valley that we live in. Then I hiked up the Horseflat Trail from the parking lot at the Summit Trailhead. The trail passes through several meadows, large aspen groves, and shaded areas before finally reaching the overlook. This trail is really well shaded and is a perfect hike during the summer when all the trees are green and the beautiful purple, white, and yellow wildflowers are in full display. I picked a bouquet for Jan on my way back down the trail. They look amazing in our kitchen now. It was so nice to hike on a trail that was wet from the rain earlier in the day. So many of the hikes I've taken this year have been dusty and dry, even in the Northwest. I was also surprised at how green everything is in this area too. It's incredible to see this spectacular area from the perspective of my drone 400 feet over the top of the landscape. The cloud formations were beautiful, and I think I could see over 20 miles in every direction. These vistas over the top of the Rocky Mountains are truly breathtaking. This hike is located on the north side of Timpanogos, and you can see multiple ranges of mountains as well as the back of Timp from higher up on the trail. I just love to see how the light plays on the meadows, quaking aspens, and evergreen trees that cover this area. This trail is a joy to hike through. It is well maintained and not too steep. Quaking aspens take all kinds of interesting shapes along the way.
Once in my sleep, I saw a trace filled with pain, a lot of change. So I stuck and prayed, 'cause I'm lost without your help.
On the way back down the canyon, I found this secret little waterfall flowing through moss-covered rocks into a shaded pool. It's a perfect time to get out and enjoy nature. But if you can't get out, at least you can enjoy a bit of nature's beauty from my videos.